It's recording.
We're about to get a muffler installed on the STI. Here's cold start, full turbo back catless with this tiny muffler. It's like free flowing muffler thing.
That's fucking sick.
Just got this muffler installed, it's way quieter. The new tip. All welded up. The Subaru is basically done at this point. It is a daily driver again. I'm tuning it still a little bit every once in a while. I just got the muffler installed, and that right there, that muffler, $312 installed at the tip, full stainless, fully welded. And the sound system I put in here is by far the best $600 spent on this vehicle, by far, 100%. Everything else was probably necessary, but for the value and enjoyment of what I received out of these two modifications, so amazing. So amazing. Having a good sound system is so good. I can rip this thing around neighborhoods now. I still can't make boost, so like, you know, I'm not going crazy yet. But it's amazing. You can actually hear the music. Everyone doesn't think you're an asshole. You're not waking up a lot of people. And it's just really, really good. This is how she sits. We still got the silver front mount pipes. Mean mugging.